how to add an outline to buttons on Wix. So I have in here two buttons. I'll just head over and choose this button right here, and I will add a highlight to it or an outline. Now, in order to do that, you can just click on this settings option for this button, and it will show you what this button will display. Alternatively, you can also just click on this design option, and it will show you this design options is here. Now, you just click on this customize design, and we have in here this. So we have the icon, the layout, corners, and a lot more. For this one, let's choose in here the shadows, and just click on this plus for the add shadow. And then just choosing here the color of the shadow that you want added. Just choosing here a black shadow. And as you can see, its angle is 316. So for this one, let's make this 360. And you can choose this distance. And you can also add a blur effect, and you can increase the size of that particular layout right here. So I'll just head over and then put in here layout of around 5. And then once you have added that, you can just choose in here a drop or outer shadow if you want. For this one, I'll just choose in here an outer shadow, and as you see right here, we have now an outline to button. So that's how you add an outline to buttons on Wix. I hope this video helped you out.